This is Vincent Virga from PFS Wealth Management Group with our February 2016 Educational Economic Update. In this video, we're going to talk about some of the economic headlines that influenced the markets in the last month, and we're going to give you some insight into what they could mean for you as an investor. But please make sure to stay tuned at the end for our required disclosure statement. Well, January was another volatile month for stocks. Investor sentiment turned negative on more bad news out of China, as well as plummeting oil prices. Let's talk about some of the month's major headlines. Right out of the gate, the first look at fourth quarter economic growth showed us that the economy hit a soft patch in the final months of 2015. Gross domestic product grew just 0.7%, which is a disappointing drop from the 2% we saw in the third quarter. Q4 GDP growth will be revised 2 more times as data comes in, and it's possible that the final result will be more optimistic. However, we're not expecting a ton of improvement. Why did the economy slow down? We can probably attribute a lot of the drop to lower business spending and weak global demand. However, the data also shows that the U.S. consumers aren't spending that extra money that they've been saving at the gas pumps. Does the slowdown mean that the U.S. is heading for a recession? Probably not. It's not great news, but the economy went into a negative territory back in the first quarter of 2014 and bounced back rapidly. In other news, the Federal Reserve met in the last week of January and actually declined to raise interest rates again. That's not a big surprise given the challenging economic and market conditions, but some of the experts don't think the Fed made the right call. So with so much uncertainty in the market, a rate hike could have given investors more confidence in the economy. On the other hand, inflation remains low and economic growth is modest, so the Fed might just actually hold off on further rate increases for months ahead. Earnings season kicked off in January, and the overall picture is one of lower earnings, as well as lower revenues. It's not a surprise because we knew that the American firms are facing major challenges from a slowing global economy, as well as a strong US dollar and weak commodity prices. But more than 2/3 of the firms that have reported so far have been able to beat their earnings targets, which tells us the managers are actually doing a good job of managing expectations. On the positive side, a gauge of manufacturing activity blew away expectations and came in at the highest reading since last January. Manufacturing, a backbone of economic activity in many parts of the U.S., seemed frozen after several reports showed that factories struggled with demand. This new data is a refreshing change, and we're hopeful about manufacturing this year. Ladies and gentlemen, my dear friends, this is it for the February Educational Economic Update. As always, if you have questions or concerns about what we've discussed, please give our office a call at 888-331-2821. Some upcoming events that we'd like to let you know about. We'll be hosting in Union County, New Jersey, our latest seminar series, The Smart Approach to Retirement. Next week on February 10th and February 11th at 6:30 p.m. Also, in Somerset County, we'll be hosting our retirement seminar on the February 23rd as well as 25th. If you'd like to attend, give our office a call at 888-331-2821. Hope that you can come and join us. And don't forget to listen to our Saturday morning radio show on 970 a.m. in New York. It's The Smart Approach to Retirement, every Saturday morning, 6 a.m. Eastern. Hope to hear from you soon and love to get your thoughts and opinions on our show. Once again, this is Vincent Virga, President of PFS Wealth Management Group, signing off for the month of February 2016. Please remember that nothing we talk about here is a recommendation. If you'd like to discuss your personal financial situation, please give us a call at 888-331-2821. We'd be more than happy to talk to you.